I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 34. An agricultural system which combines crop production with forest establishment is known as A. Plantation farming, B. Taungya farming, C. Arable farming, D. Mixed farming. So you have various farming or agricultural systems here, and I asked for the one which combines crop production and forest establishment. So let's see what each of the options entail. Now, plantation farming refers to the specialized, commercial, or large scale cultivation of mainly cash crops. Option B, which is Taungya farming, refers to a system whereby forest trees and food crops are planted together on the same piece of land. Now it mixes agriculture with forestry. Now option C, which is arable farming refers to when only crops are grown on a farm and then used or sold by the farmer depending on his needs. So that describes arable farming. And lastly, you have option D, which is mixed farming, and it is a farming system which involves both growing of crops and raising of livestock, usually on the same piece of land. Now, the question talks about a system which combines crop production and forest establishment, and option B, which is Taungya farming, we can see that it is when forest trees, that is forest establishment, and food crops, crop production happens or takes place on the same piece of land. So it combines both production of crops, which is agriculture, and forestry. So option B, Taungya farming, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe for more videos and for more past questions and answers.